Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Uncommon Performance. I'm Travis, and today is the day that we try to install this header. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait to hear it. And yeah, well, let's do it. That was the biggest pain in the ass I have ever experienced. First, snap my swivel. Then I snap my extension. Because of this fucking thing that looks like it has literally no purpose except to maybe add weight to the front end. It literally is a solid chunk of steel that has no wires, no connectors, no nothing resting on it. It's not a motor mount. It looks like a motor mount, but that block in the middle is just solid steel. Then I get the ratchet straight onto that nut. I barely put any force on it and it cracks loose, and then I can finish unscrewing it with my hand. So I broke two tools for nothing. Great. Anyways, we should be able to tear out the old manifold. So let's go up topside. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Okay. I'm gonna go clean my hands, put on my gloves, and grab my header. Alright, so I got the O2 sensor out. I ended up having to, there was a little heat shield that comes up, or the other way actually, comes up like this. And I had to cut that off to get this off. I'm not spending $80 on a special tool that Hyundai sells just to get your O2 sensor off. So this is the upstream one, so this is the one that I'm assuming that I should have in the header because there's no cat, so don't need the downstream one. Not now anyway. So this should keep our air-fuel ratio proper. I'm probably still gonna pop a check engine light. I gotta have somebody weld in a O2 bung for the after cat area if I decide to keep the second cat. We shall see. But now I can get this in. Almost done. This hanger on help hold things in place. And I did actually find some hardware in my workshop that'll fit and is long enough and is also grade 8. Oh, this is gonna be perfect. One in. Oh, idiot. I didn't put the gasket in. Glad I didn't go any further than this. Alright, it's officially in. Button down. All I gotta do is plug in the O2 sensor and wait for that check engine light to turn on. Alright, so that's all done. We're in the car, we're driving, check engine light's already on. That's expected. I'll be making another video on how to just delete the second cat and hopefully how to make the check engine go away with a little trick that I've seen all over the internet, and we'll see what happens. But for now, it sounds great. It's got a little bit of an extra noise that I think is probably just attributed to the stainless steel rubbing against the rubber bushing in the hanger.
but that should be able to be solved with a little bit of silicone spray. Just haven't had the opportunity to put it on yet, but definitely sounds good. And somebody's just second gear pull. I like it. Doesn't sound too bad. Not too much drone. I got something sitting in the door pocket over there that keeps vibrating. Which, there are worse problems to have. But anyways, I'm loving it. If you want to see some more pictures of it installed, I got them on my Instagram, which I'll post the link right about here. And go there, follow my page, and let me know what you think of the sound of it. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, just do me a favor, drop me a subscribe, a like, a comment, and let me know what you think about it. That's gonna just about do it for this episode. Thanks again for stopping by. You have yourself a great day.